This guide will help you reduce frame stuttering in Apex Legends, improving your overall gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Apex Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail. This can help reduce the load on your system and minimize stuttering. Step 3. Enable VSync and adaptive resolution. In the settings menu, enable VSync to prevent screen tearing. Additionally, consider enabling adaptive resolution to automatically adjust the game's resolution based on performance, which can help maintain a smoother frame rate. Step 4. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed while playing. This will free up CPU and RAM for Apex Legends. Step 5. Monitor hardware temperature. Use monitoring software to check your CPU and GPU temperatures while playing. If temperatures are too high, consider cleaning your hardware or improving cooling solutions to prevent thermal throttling, which can lead to stuttering. By following these steps, you should experience a smoother gameplay experience in Apex Legends. Regularly check for updates and optimize your settings as needed to maintain performance.